Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we are asked to find the real value of x, given that 8 raised to the power of log s minus 2 raised to the power of log s is equal to 5 factorial. Now, this is an interesting question, and sit back and watch the video. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to this channel. Now, let's obtain the real value of x. So we are given that 8 raised to the power of log x minus 2 raised to the power of log x is equal to 5 factorial. So we have that 8 raised to the power of log x minus 2 raised to the power of log x will be equal to, now what is 5 factorial? This is expressed as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So therefore we have that 8 raised to the power of log x minus 2 raised to the power of log x is equal to 120. Now let's call here equation 1. At this point, we can express that let log x be equal to y. So therefore, equation 1 becomes 8 raised to the power of y minus 2 raised to the power of y is equal to 120. Now we can have it that 2 raised to the power of 3 4 raised to the power of y minus 2 raised to the power of y is equal to 120. This is because 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 3. Also, we have that 2 raised to the power of y all raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of y is equal to 120. Also, let 2 raised to the power of y be equal to k. So let's call here equation A, k, and let's call here equation B. So our equation can now be expressed as k raised to the power of 3 minus k equal to 120. So we can have it that k raised to the power of 3 minus k is equal to 125 minus 5. So we have that k raised to the power of 3 minus k is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3 minus 5. So if we move all the terms at the right hand side to the left hand side, our equation becomes k raised to the power of 3 minus 5 raised to the power of 3 minus k plus 5 equal to 0. At this point, this expression here gives us difference of 2 cubed. But recall that difference of 2 cubed, given that a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3 can be expressed as a minus b multiplied by a squared plus b squared plus ab. So therefore, we can have that k minus 5 multiplied by k squared plus 5 squared plus 5k minus 1, open a bracket, k minus 5 equal to 0. Now at this point, we can factorize. So we have that k minus 5, open bracket, we multiply k squared plus 5k plus 5 squared is 25 minus 1, or equal to 0. So we have it that k minus 5, we close in the bracket, multiply by k squared plus 5k plus 24 is equal to 0. So recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, it is either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Thus, we have it that k minus 5 is equal to 0, or k squared plus 5k plus 24 is equal to 0. Now from here, we have that k is equal to 5. Also, we have that k squared plus 5k plus 24 is equal to 0. Now, let's check if we have an imaginary root from this equation. So recall that for equal roots, b squared is equal to 4ac. So b is equal to 5, a is equal to 1, and c is equal to 24. So if we substitute, we have that 5 squared is equal to 4 times 1 times 24. So therefore, 5 squared is equal to 25, equal to 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 24 is 96. Thus, b squared is less than 4ac. This means that k squared plus 5k plus 24 equal to 0 will give us imaginary roots. Thus, the real value of x will be obtained when k is equal to 5. But recall that k is equal to 2y. So we have that 5 is equal to 2 to the power of y. We can have that y is equal to log 5 to the base 2, which can also be expressed as ln 5 divided by ln 2. At this point, y is equal to 2.3219. But also, recall that log x is equal to y. So therefore, x is equal to 10 to the power of y. So x is equal to 10 to the power of 2.3219. So x is equal to 210. So at this point, we have been able to obtain a real value of x. Please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. and I will see you in my next video. Bye.